Hi-ho, how are we all doing today? There's a new one for you. I don't think I've done one of these. This is Libyan, 50 dirhams, 1979. Love the shape. I think this is going to turn out to be quite a nice ring. So this is obviously going to be sunny side up on the ring. I mean, they're both nice, but that's more, you know, hoochie coochie coo, baby. Right, let's punch a hole in it. I'm going to use a 7/16 punch because it's not a big coin. It's not a small coin. It's just right coin. How you doing, Beer? Gary? Steve? Sarah? Alan? Hope you're all doing good. Right, let's go over to the one and only Big Bertha. Sorry about that. Oh, she's dripping again, as usual. Right. What we got? It didn't need a slap on the bottom neither. Hope everybody's doing good. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers or subscriber. Thanks for hitting that button. If you're new to the channel or you just popped in by mistake, I make jewellery out of coins. This is Christy Burr. Okie dokie. You do that, you deburr it so there's no cracks or splits forming. So, right, let us firstly, I will use this. I don't use it that much, so I've got to get a different one. But this is going to be, it's going to be sunny side up on the ring. So, we can go over. I don't bother doing this as a roll. I go straight in for the kill. Okie dokie. Right, let's show it a bit of love, shall we? Just warm it up a bit. Okie dokie, just quench it. Yeah, if you're looking for a bit of coin jewellery, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I don't just do rings, I do earrings, cufflinks, bracelets, all sorts of bits and pieces. If you want to go to my, what am I doing there? If you want to go over to my web shop, yourfingermyring.com, there's a few bits and pieces in there. Right, let's just fold this puppy. Now, make out sandy and just clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Looking good, looking good. The coin, that is. I look good all the time. Oh dear, sorry about that, but there you go. Right, let's go over to Spike. Best friend. And this little tool stretches your ring. You put a bit of kitchen roll over it. Some guys use a plastic bag, but you know, whatever floats your boat. You just want it to get to a nice size. And the kitchen roll or plastic bag, whatever you use, protects the detail on the inside of the ring. This isn't going to be a huge ring. What we got? That's good. I'll show it a bit more love, I think. Alright, a bit more kneeling. Okie dokie. Oh, okie dokie dokie. Yeah. All right. Let's dry it off. So now we want to go to the bottom end of Spike. You see that is like slightly cone shaped. Not a lot. I mean, it ain't too bad. But we want to straighten the walls up. So we go over to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dies. It ain't too bad. Make sure it's nice and level, or square, or whatever you want to call it. And there you have it. Perfectly flat walls. Do I need to take anything out? No, that's perfectly flat. See that? There's nothing there. That's the result. Kate Bush. Let's clean her up a bit. But I think I'm going to keep this the Edwin look, because this is looking rather sexy. I didn't really notice how beautiful some coins are until I started doing this coin jewellery game. But some of them are just stunning. There's so much thought gone into them. I like that, that's rather nice. Bit of wipe over the cloth. There you go, folks. Look at that. Wow. Ain't that gorgeous? I mean, that is stunning. I absolutely love it. So if you're from Libya and you're looking for a ring, there you go. Got one for you. This will be the same price as a lot of my other rings, 28 euros. And you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled sort of thing, you know. And this is a size about 57 and a quarter, 57 and a quarter. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller for you. No, I love it. That is stunning. And it fits this finger perfectly. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I'll catch you tomorrow. God willing. So bye-bye.